In today's video, I will show you step by step how you can record your screen using Filmora 12. Now, using Filmora 12 to record your screen is a really practical way to record, as it will record in high definition and it will also go straight into your editing software. So to do this, what we can do is open up Filmora 12, and then if we go to the top left hand corner, you will now see an option for a drop down menu. Once we click on this drop down menu, you will now see an option for record from webcam, record voiceover, or record screen. Now what we can do is click on record screen, and then once we click on this, you will then get this little pop-up menu right here. Now what you want to do is you can go to full screen, so go to the drop down menu. Now what you can do is if we select full screen, it will select the whole screen of whatever monitor that you do choose. If you've got multiple monitors and you've got an external monitor, what we can do is click on this right here. As you will notice now, it does say built-in display on my Mac. If you click it again, it will go back to my external monitor. You can also access the microphone system audio, which will obviously record sort of gameplay sounds and anything that is on screen. And you can also enable your webcam. If we click on the settings icon, this will then bring up further settings. You can see where it will go and where it will be saved. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can record on Filmora 12.